Whoa, don't click off. This video is meant to look like this. How does it sound though? So I recently ran across some articles that got my attention. The first was audio is 90% video, and the second was YouTube viewers don't care about image quality. What they're both basically saying is that it's a lot easier to watch a video with bad image quality and good audio than a video with good image quality and terrible audio. I've always heard that audio quality is important, but I was curious how important can it really be? So when Joby asked if I wanted to test out their Wavo Plus shotgun microphone, I figured this was the perfect time to find out how important audio quality really is to a video. I'm actually recording with the Wavo right now. I'm feeding it into a recorder and then syncing it in post with my amazing $10 Suzy camera right here. I'll be using this mic throughout the video without any adjustments other than messing with the audio levels. So before we move on, let me show you what comes with a Joby Wavo Plus. Here's the packaging. Let's get everything out. First we have a TRS to TRRS cable. Next a TRS to TRS cable. USB A to C cable. USB-C to C cable. And finally the Wavo Plus microphone. Let's see how it looks mounted on my camera. Looks pretty good. Alright, let's get into the specs. So the Joby Wavo Plus is a high quality shotgun on-camera microphone that's ideal for vloggers and filmmakers. It features a super cardioid pickup pattern and noise reduction. What's nice about this mic is that it features an auto power mode, so when you have it plugged into your camera, it automatically switches on or off. It's one less thing you have to worry about. It has a front multicolor LED that shows the battery status. It goes from green to amber to red to indicate when your battery is running low. For me, it's just super helpful to know that the mic's even on. On this side of the mic are two switches. The top one is a safety track switch that limits the audio to -10 decibels on the right channel. So just in case your audio is distorted, the right channel will most likely be usable. Underneath that switch is a 100Hz high pass filter. This helps lessen rumble and low end noise like plosives, machinery, or air conditioner noises. If you're primarily recording voices, I would suggest keeping this on. On the other side of the mic, we have a 3-position gain adjustment switch that goes from -10 to 0 to +15 decibels. There's a 3.5mm input here on the bottom and a volume control on the back, so you can monitor your audio with headphones. The Wavo Plus also features a USB-C port to not only charge the mic, but it can also be used to plug into your computer to use as a PC mic. I like to use it when I'm traveling to record voiceovers. So this mic is targeted to vloggers and filmmakers. Well, I'm far from being the next Stanley Kubrick, so let's head out and do a quick vlog test. I'll be doing a comparison with this amazing setup I got here with the Joby Wavo Plus against my $5,000 full frame camera setup using internal audio. Alright, let's head out. Alright, dropping off some stuff at the post office real quick. And I'm gonna get run over. Am I getting run over? Alright, so dropping off some stuff at the post office real quick, so let's head over there. Alright, well, I didn't want to really drop off this package anyways. I want to keep it. God. Alright, let's go pick up my dog. Is there, can you get some my lens? Yeah. Is there? Shiba Inu, Japanese breed. Shiba Inu, a Japanese breed. Yeah. Oh shit.
Who doesn't know what it is?
How are those things everywhere? Am I the only one who didn't know what axolotls were?
You just thought that was a monster?
I did. I was in Japan. I just assumed they're some anime. He knew what it was. He didn't know the name, and I was so adamant that it was an anime character that I convinced him that it was just a cartoon, Japanese cartoon character. Sorry, Frank. Over here, I have my full frame camera with my 16-35 2.8. It's like a $5,000 setup. Over here, we have a $10 camera with my Joby Wavo. The Joby microphone, I forgot what it's called, and that's like a $200 setup, and most of it's the mic. So this one should sound better, this one should look better. I don't know. So this thing has a long battery life. It lasted me somewhere around 30 hours before I needed to charge it again. It's made of ABS plastic, and honestly it feels a little bit cheap. That being said, it's the same build that helps keep it lightweight and compact. It's easy to just throw into any of my camera bags. I'm sorry, is that hard to hear? Let's plug this mic back in. Alright, so the foam windscreen that it comes with does a decent job, but it's very susceptible to plosives. Whenever I get a mic, I immediately pick up a furry windscreen like this over here, just because they work so much better than the foam ones. I ordered one for the Joby Wavo Plus, but it got lost somewhere in delivery, so I don't have it. It can be mounted on a cold shoe or a tripod since it has a 3/8 inch universal mount on the bottom. It also comes pre-installed with a 1/4 inch adapter. This mic is great for content creators. It's honestly a little bit pricey at around $200, but it's definitely worth investing in your audio. And of course image quality matters too, so maybe spend a little bit more on something better than this Suzio camera here. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can sell this thing on eBay and get some of my money back. See ya.